Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. October has just rolled in, and with it, some of the absolute craziest Costco discounts we've seen in a very long time. And I'm not just talking about your regular, everyday markdowns. We're talking all-time low prices on tech gadgets, kitchen must-haves, fashion finds, delicious snacks, and home essentials that almost never go on sale this deep. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that all the items I am about to mention are linked in the description box below. I'd recommend opening them in new tabs as we go, because stock moves incredibly fast and these prices definitely won't stay this low for long. Alright, are you ready? Let us jump right into the top 30 Costco deals of the month, the ones that truly deserve your attention and a spot in your shopping cart. First up, in our home and kitchen must-haves, we've got the Gourmet 8-quart digital air fryer. It's now just $44.99 after a $15 discount. Say goodbye to soggy fries forever. This large capacity fryer gives you perfectly crispy results every single time, with 7 quick select presets and heat that goes all the way up to 450 degrees. My favorite part is the built-in window that lets you watch your food as it cooks, and the dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup an absolute breeze. Next, for all you bulk shoppers, the Food Saver Vacuum Sealing System Starter Kit is a game changer. It's on sale for $89.99, saving you a massive $40. This thing is a lifesaver for stopping food waste. It keeps your groceries fresh up to 5 times longer with its airtight sealing modes, perfect for meats, marinades, or leftovers. The kit even includes roll storage, a cutter bar, and a handheld sealer. Breathe easier with a Winix C610 4-stage True HEPA air purifier. It's now only $99.99, which is $30 off. This purifier removes 99.99% of airborne dust, smoke, and pet dander. It can cover a massive 1,840 square feet in just 1 hour and automatically adjusts its fan speed with its smart air sensor. Plus, with Wi-Fi control and 2 long-life filters included, this is a top-tier pick for cleaner, fresher air in your home. For all my bakers out there, check out the Nordic Ware Naturals 3-piece baking sheet set. It's down to $27.99 after a $5 saving. Made from pure aluminum with reinforced rims. These sturdy sheets heat evenly and resist warping. They are perfect for cookies, roasted veggies, or any sheet pan dinner you can dream up, and they're built to last for years and years, and a crucial item for every home. The First Alert rechargeable heavy-duty fire extinguisher is now just $29.99, saving you $10. This is an absolute must-have for your home or garage. It can handle wood, grease, and electrical fires. It has a solid metal design, is OSHA compliant, and is even backed by a 12-year warranty. Safety first. Moving on to cleaning and household supplies, you can stock up on Bounty Advanced Paper Towels. They're now $27.39, which is $5.60 off. These are ultra-absorbent sheets that can tackle any spill. Each pack comes with 12 jumbo rolls, which is enough to last for months. Never run out of power with the Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries 40-pack. It's on sale for $17.99, a $2 savings. This is reliable, long-lasting power for all your remotes, flashlights, and kids' toys. They even hold their charge for up to 12 years in storage. Keep your home sanitized with the Lysol disinfectant spray in that lovely crisp linen scent. It's down to $21.49, saving you $3.50. It kills 99.9% of germs and viruses, while leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. I always keep a can of this for high-touch surfaces like doorknobs and light switches. And of course, the internet's favorite smiling sponge. The Scrub Daddy 8-pack is on sale for $14.49, which is $3.50 off. This amazing sponge changes texture with water temperature-esque soft, in warm water for gentle cleaning and firm in cold water for serious scrubbing. Plus, it's durable, odor-free, and dishwasher safe. Now for the exciting tech and electronics deals. First, the Lenovo IdeaCentre 27 all-in-one touchscreen PC is a fantastic deal at $699.99, a whopping $200 off. This is perfect for streamlining your desk setup. It features a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, a massive 1 terabyte solid-state drive, and a beautiful Full HD touch display. It's perfect for both work and entertainment. Gamers, listen up. The MSI Crosshair 18HX AI gaming laptop is seeing a huge $200 discount, bringing it to $1,499.99. This machine is built for serious gaming, packed with an Intel Ultra 9 CPU, an RTX 4070 GPU, a buttery-smooth 240Hz QHD Plus screen, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. It's powerful, smooth, and ready for any game you throw at it. And for your home office, the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 CDW printer is on sale for $389.99, saving you $110. It offers fast duplex printing, sharp color output, and has a compact design that won't take up your whole desk. A great investment for small businesses or anyone working from home. Let's switch gears to apparel and lifestyle. The Jax men's flannel shirt is a fall staple, and it's only $13.99 after a $3 discount. It's so soft, warm, and perfect for layering as the weather gets cooler. For the ladies, the Banana Republic women's button front cardigan is a steal at $16.99. Saving you $5. This is such a cozy and stylish piece with trendy balloon sleeves and premium buttons that make it look so much more expensive. Pair that cardigan with the Banana Republic women's ponte pants, now just $15.99 after a $4 discount. These pants are amazing. They're structured and stretchy at the same time. They look dressy enough for work, but are comfortable enough for travel or just lounging. For the guys, the Nautica men's lounge pants. Tupac is a fantastic deal at $16.99, which is $5 off. You get 2 pairs of soft drawstring pants that are ideal for relaxing at home or for a casual weekend look. And another great men's find, the copper and oak men's tech pants are just $16.99, saving you $3. These are lightweight, flexible, and perfect for travel, with convenient zip cargo pockets for all your essentials. Now, let's talk beauty and personal care. The Perricone MD Essential FX Overnight Moisturizer Tupac is an incredible value at $34.99. That's $15 off. This is a rich, luxurious night cream that works to smooth and firm your skin while you sleep. A cult classic, the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream 2-pack of 16-ounce tubs is now $23.99, which is a $6 savings. This is dermatologist approved, fantastic hydration for anyone with dry or sensitive skin. It's a staple in my house. Lather up with the Olay Botanical Body Wash 3-pack, on sale for $13.49, saving you $4.50. It's infused with essential oils and vitamin B3 to leave your skin feeling silky smooth and looking radiant. With cold and allergy season upon us, the Kleenex Soothing Lotion Facial Tissue 12-pack is a must. It's now $20.99, which is $4 off. These gentle aloe-infused tissues are a lifesaver for a sore nose. Time for my favorite part: groceries, snacks, and drinks. The Lindt Chocolate Truffles bag is now $15.39, a savings of $4.30. This is the ultimate treat, with decadent milk, dark caramel, and white chocolate flavors. It's perfect for gifting or just for yourself. Stay hydrated with the Vita Coco Coconut Water 18-pack. It's down to $18.19, saving you $5.80. It's a natural electrolyte boost. Ideal for post-workout hydration or just a refreshing drink anytime. Coffee lovers, the Nescafe Taster's Choice Instant Coffee is on sale for $14.19, a $5.50 discount. This is a smooth, rich instant coffee made from 100% real beans, perfect for a quick and delicious cup. For a healthy snack on the go, grab the Nature Valley Protein Bars 30-count box. It's now $13.99, which is $5 off. Each bar has 10 grams of protein and that classic delicious peanut butter and dark chocolate flavor. And for a quick and comforting meal, the Campbell's Simply Chicken Noodle Soup 8-pack is just $9.99, a huge $6 savings. This soup is made with antibiotic-free chicken and real bone broth. Perfect for a chilly day. Moving on to health and wellness, you can grab the Ocuvite Adult 50 Eye Vitamins for $25.99, which is $6 off. These vitamins help support healthy vision and can reduce eye strain from blue light. Back to our household essentials with some great laundry deals. The Tide Pods Ultra Oxy 104 count container is now $24.59, saving you $5.40. This is a 4-in-1 formula that leaves your laundry bright and fresh. Just toss one in and you're good to go. If you have sensitive skin, the Kirkland Signature Free and Clear Liquid Detergent is an excellent choice. It's on sale for $16.39, a savings of $3.60. It's powerful on stains, but gentle enough for the whole family. And finally, our 30th deal is the Tide Plus Advanced Power with Oxy, now $20.99, which is $4 off. This concentrated formula gives you a deep clean result and long-lasting freshness for 78 loads. And that's your roundup of the 30 best Costco deals for October. Truly, some of the lowest prices you are going to see all year on these items. Remember to check the links in the description, verify the stock at your local Costco, and snag your favorites before they're gone. If you found this list helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe even share it with your favorite Costco shopping buddy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!